Right now po nangangamoy yung brake kasi stuck up siya. Tingnan nyo, pag niyaman, dito hirap na hirap ko ito. Ito, walang brake ay, push ko lang. Hindi kaya, oh, stuck. If I try to move it, what happened to the motor? The brake there is stuck. Right now it's very hot. Hindi kaya, oh, stuck. If I try to move it, what happened to the motor? The brake there is stuck. Right now it's very hot. I've been trying to figure out how to remove the master cylinder of this Dominar 400, and apparently how to do it is to first you need to remove the bolt that connects the tailpipe. Then you need to remove 3 more bolts that are located here, here, and here. Once you have done that, you can get a view of the master cylinder. So there's the reservoir, and there's the master cylinder, and it's fixed by this 2 bolts right here, and this is for the pedal right here, and this is the brake light switch connected here, and you just need to remove this pin, locking pin, and that should be good to go. I think this is very common, yeah, not really specific to Dominar, so you can get a replacement. So I will remove this one now. Sorry, there are 2 more things you need to disconnect. One is the hydraulic connection, right, this one, which is connected here, and then the other one is the electrical, the switch, which is bolted right there. You probably notice there are locking screw glue there, lock, I don't know what they call that, like lock glue something. Yeah, that's very important. This is the original, and this is what I found. The brand is Nissan, I think, yeah, Nissan. So I hope it fits. So the hole is not 100%. I mean, this one is a you know, has a pre-flay. So hope it fits. So let me try. So this is the old brake master, and this is the new brake master. Yeah, it's a bit tight, but I was able to adjust something, and now it fits perfectly. So I even put back the reservoir right there, and a little bit tight here. But yeah, I'll put a super glue to lock it in place. Thank you. So I think the real problem of the rear brake of the Dominar jamming is not the caliper. I tried checking the free play, and it does work. I removed it, dismantled it, and it's working fine. Although the original brake master does play after I dismantled it, but for the technician mechanic in Kawasaki, it said that it's one of the problems that they've encountered. So they replaced the repair kit, but I opted for just replacing the entire brake master. And the brand actually is Nissan, so it's not a perfect fit. I did some modification a little bit on the holes, but it's working fine. And you can see the color there, it's a bit different than the original, but it's working fine. So I've used this bike since I've installed that one for about more or less 150 kilometers, and yeah, it's no longer jamming. The brake doesn't get stuck anymore. So I hope that's the final solution. But if ever there's a problem, I will just update a video of it and share with you guys. So hope this helps you in dealing with this kind of problem. Thank you.